Hey everybody, John Wanders here with Billings Seafood Guys. We're about to cook some crab. So the best thing about crab is that it's such a simple seafood to cook. If you're that person that's a little held off by seafood, not too sure of how to handle it, how to cook it, this is the seafood for you. Crab is very simple. It's very easy. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need. Truly the two things you need. And I'm going to go through it with you. And we're going to make some crab. So if you guys are wondering what you need, well, this is it. There's your Dungeness crab sections. There's your pot. It's that easy. Okay guys, so with this crab, we're steaming it. This stuff's already been cooked, so all we have to do is truly heat it up. And the best way to do that is by steaming it. And let me show you exactly what that means. Okay, so when you're steaming crab, it's really that simple. You got your pot. I typically do about 1/2 inch of water. You turn it on high, you get that stuff boiling, and then time to put the crab in. Yeah, so the beauty of only working with 1/2 inch of water is that it boils really quick. So here we go. Got that steaming. Here comes the crab. There we go. Give that about 5 to 8 minutes. We'll be ready to eat. There we go. About 7-8 minutes later, that beautiful red color. That crab is ready to be destroyed.